Step 1, you want to navigate to the Debutify Add-ons tab, which is inside the theme settings. Locate the newsletter pop-up and just tick it on. Step 2, head out of the Debutify Add-ons tab and back into the theme settings. Locate the newsletter pop-up settings, and then we can begin our customizations. So step 3, we want to decide if this is going to be a time-based pop-up or an exit intent pop-up. Let's have a look at how to do that. Make sure it's activated. And if we want it to pop up after a certain amount of time, just head down to Trigger Settings and click Enable Time-Based Trigger. You can change the time here, or if you don't want this to display, it will be an exit intent and will pop up just when you leave the page. You can also display it by just clicking the floating bar. And if you want to change any of the settings, just scroll back up to the top. You can change the floating bar settings on the left-hand side or the right. Change the text and the icon. And then we can change the pop-up settings themselves. If a customer clicks this no thanks, then it won't show up as an exit intent pop-up and it will be no longer in use. If they do put their email in, they'll get a success notification and they'll be able to copy the discount that you've put in. And they will show up in the Shopify customer tab. Of course, you can change all of the icons and the success settings as well. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.